Slow internet? What if I told you that you can use Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time for a faster connection? Here's how. First of all, make sure your mobile data is turned on. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, and switch it on. On Android, go to Settings, then Connections, Data Usage, and turn on mobile data. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. On iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi and switch it on. On Android, go to Settings, then Connections, Wi-Fi and turn it on. Pick a network and enter the password if needed. Now here's the trick. Download Speedify from the App Store or Play Store. This app combines Wi-Fi and mobile data for a faster, more stable connection. Once installed, open Speedify. It will automatically detect both your Wi-Fi and mobile data connections and bond them together. And that's it. Now you can stream, game, and browse faster without interruptions. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.